Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. Welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you are new, welcome to the channel. The purpose of me posting is to help as many of you guys as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that's one of your goals, you are definitely in the right place. I just ask that if you do make it to the end of this video, that you leave me a comment to let me know what you learned, give me a like to boost the channel, but more importantly, share this video with another trader. So in today's quick video, I am going to be going over a trade idea that I took on October 6, 2023. Now, usually when I drop trade ideas for the students I'm mentoring, they are a little bit more detailed, but this was something quick that I was looking at and I didn't want to miss the move. So as you guys can see here, it says, "Good morning, everyone. I am looking at GU for a buy." And GU just stands for the Great British Pound versus the United States dollar. And here was the screenshot of that chart that I had posted. So you can see my profit target was about 1.22775. And my entry was around 1.2154. So those were some decent pips that I was trying to secure on a Friday morning, and we're going to see how this trade played out. Spoiler alert, it did hit TP. So I'm just going to go ahead and recreate what I did and walk you guys through my thought process when I got into the trade. So here was my entry candle, and this is what I was looking at when I got into the market. So the first thing that I do is look at where the wicks are and if there has been any type of rejections near a supply or demand zone. So I can see here that the market had tapped into this area a couple of times. And I had a lot of bullish energy on this candle, meaning that the buyers from the sellers having a lot of control on this candle, it turned around and the buyers started to gain control on that candle. I also saw that my momentum line was facing up, and so was my stochastic or my blue line or fast line on the stochastic. Now, for me, when this happens, this usually represents that a bullish trend is starting or going to continue, and mixed with my demand area here, my momentum and stochastic, I felt pretty confident to take the trade for a buy. Another thing I noticed were that these two lines right here, they're called EMAs or moving averages. They were getting closer together. And what I've noticed is that the further that these lines are away from each other, the stronger the trend, and the closer they are together, the weaker the trend. So coming off of this large sell candle, it looked like the selling trend was getting a little bit weak, and I was starting to pretty much see signs that the market was going to be buying. So that's what I decided to do. So one of my favorite tools on TradingView is the long position and short position tool, which you'll find, which you will find over here on the left panel. But first, let's put everything on the chart. So we have our demand zone, which is usually found at the bottom of a trend. You'll see the market will continue to push into this area, but it will have a harder time getting below this area, letting you know that price actually wants to go up. So next, we're going to add our long position tool. When you're buying in the market, it's called going long. When you're selling in the market, it's called going short. Um, so I pretty much entered somewhere here, set a pending order, right? I set my stop loss just a little bit below where the wicks were, right? And the stop loss is just where you want to get out the market in case it doesn't go in your favor. So I did that, and then I set my, we know this was all the way at like 1.2277, and we're just going to say, okay, right? And we're going to see what actually happened in this trade. All right, still going. All right. And we can see that TP was hit about 4 days later. TP was hit about 4 days later. So it looks like this trade worked out pretty good. I'm happy that I was able to hit TP using simple supply, demand, and indicators. If you guys want to learn more about my strategy or the indicators that I use, I do encourage you to explore my channel. If you do like the way that I teach and you feel like you learn something every time you watch one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do need more one-on-one attention or help, or you would like to join a trading community, you can register for personal mentorship or follow me on TradingView. And all of those links are down below in the description box. So I really hope that this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.